Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll solve few questions. At the end of each question, there will be the explanation of the question, and you can jump to different sections using timestamps below. And yeah, let's begin. Now let's solve this question. Circle O intersects circle Q at point K. So these two circles are connected to each other at point K. The length of PQ is 13. So length from this point to this point is 13. And the radius of the circle O is 5. So the radius OK is 5 and OP is also 5. What is the area of the circle Q? So to find the area, we should know the radius of the circle, because area equals pi r square for the circle. So we should know the radius of circle Q. Here we know that OK, this length, here we know that this length is the radius of the circle, but we do not know the value of this side. But if we know the value of this whole side, we can easily calculate the length of this radius. And to find that, we should use the Pythagoras theorem, which is h square equals p square plus b square. It is because this angle is the right angle triangle and this side is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Hence 13 square equals 5 square plus b square. 13 square is 169. 5 square is 25, b square is b square. 169 minus 25 equals b square. This is 144 b square, and b equals under root 144 equals 12. So we know that the whole length of this OQ is 12, and if we subtract this value from this 12, we will get the length of the radius of the circle Q, which is 12 minus 5 equals how much? 7. So 7 is the radius of the circle, and let's calculate the area. So the area is pi r square, which is pi multiplied by 7 square, which is 49 pi. So in terms of pi, because the options are in pi, so 49 pi would do the work. So this value, the option E, is the correct answer. Now let's solve this question. So they are asking, what is the measure of angle ACB? ACB means we are asked about this angle. In the circle with center O, CA equals CB, so these two sides are equal. The arc AB is 1/5 of the circumference of the circle. It means that the whole circle creates 360 degrees. 1/5 of the circumference means this section AB is 1/5 of this value, because this arc is 1/5 of the complete circumference, which means that 1/5 of the 360 degrees is the value of this angle. Okay, let us solve this. 1 by 5 multiplied by 360. This is 72. So the value of this angle is 72 degrees. And what is the value of this? We know from the theorem that the central angle is double the value of this angle. So this angle is half of this value, which means that angle ACB equals 72 divided by 2, 36 degrees. Hence, this is the answer to this question.